Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion databases for content calendar workflow, full guide step by step clearly. Open Notion and navigate to your content calendar database. Select the database where you manage your content planning. Click on the New button to create a new entry. Fill in the title of your content piece in the designated property. Assign a date to your content by using the Date property. Add relevant tags to categorize your content. Include the status of the content in a status property. Use the checklist feature to outline tasks needed for your content. Open any existing entry to make updates. Review the content's status and mark it as in progress, published, or any other relevant status. Make note of any changes in the due date or tags as needed. Adjust your checklist as tasks are completed. If necessary, add comments to encourage collaboration with your team. Utilize the filter feature to view specific content types or statuses. To prioritize your content, sort entries by due date or priority level. Create templates for recurring content types to streamline future entries. Ensure you frequently revisit and update the database. Keep your team informed about any changes to the content calendar. Take advantage of Notion's calendar view for a visual representation of deadlines. Review your content regularly to keep it relevant and up to date. This will enhance your workflow and ensure efficient content management. Regularly back up your database to prevent data loss. By keeping your Notion database updated, you'll maintain a clear content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.